So guys, make sure to stand till the end, because if you make one common mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stand till the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger this generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the fuel injectors, fuses and relays are located, for any of you that need to find them, we'll share that with you. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools at a good price, that way do not waste money and time, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. By the way guys, if you want to see how to test fuel injectors, we have multiple videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that. What about the fuel injectors, fuses and relays? We need to work in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood. And when you open the hood, if you face your car, you may have a V6 or V8 engine. On the passenger side here you have a fuse box. Here you need to press these tabs together, pull that cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the fuel injectors guys, what we need to check here specifically, we will need to check every engine management fuse and relay, because there is very limited information exactly what they're for, and one of them most likely is for the fuel injectors. Coming in this row of fuses, even if you have a missing fuse, you count that spot, that's 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse 31 needs to be checked, then fuse 34, fuse 35 and fuse 37. Next, check relay 63, ASD relay, very important relay. Open the trunk. Lift the carpet liner up, underneath you have the spare tire, car battery, and on the back side you have a fuse box. That's a closer look of that same fuse box. Squeeze the tabs together, pull the cover up, you have that layout here. We need to check guys here, relay 29, and some models may have that relay number 14 here that you will need to check as well on your Dodge Challenger. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.